Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how you can add clickable link to your Instagram bio, okay? So if you're visiting my channel for the first time, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Instagram account and you have go to your profile section, okay? So here you can see I have added a clickable link to my Instagram bio. So if you want to add a clickable link, you have to click on this edit profile. And here we have got the option of links, okay? So I will just click on these links. And here to add more external link, you have to click on this add more external link. So here just you have to paste the URL, and if you want to add any title, then you can write here, okay? Okay, so I have added another link on my Instagram bio, and here if I scroll it down, refresh my page, then here you can see I have added another link to my Instagram bio, okay? So there's how you can add a clickable link to your Instagram bio.